Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling line.
Bling bling. Woo, I've been doing a ringtone for the phone yam. Bling bling.
Bling line, hello.
What's up? What's happening?
Good, thanks. How are you today, sir?
You know what it is. Tamzwibiri tamzwaigo, back up in it.
How can I help you, my dear darling?
I want to go through comments from one of the most recent episodes of Sibling Thrivalry.
Okay, let me just take a look here. Episode 85, no problem.
100%. What are we going to be talking about?
Everything. I literally can't. Emotional intelligence, I think, mostly.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
EQ and IQ.
That's correct.
Fantastic. I look forward to it.
All right, enjoy it then.
Sorry, will you please just put Talita on before you go?
Oh, it's me.
Oh, okay. Let's
Yes, we still don't have any more people working here.
roll. Okay, thanks.
Okay, bye. I love these. I actually look forward to them because I never know what's going to happen.
Start a podcast with an actress, they said. It will be fun, they said. What's up, everybody?
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Bling Line. I see there's more of you guys joining us. Oh, we're on 30K. Oh, almost 30,000 of you guys joining us. And this show, if it's your first time, is about the comments that you guys put on our Sibling Thrivalry episodes, and we interact with them, read them, speak a little bit more about them. So if you want your comment to be read, make a comment.
Just as a matter of interest, is there anyone who watches Bling Line but then doesn't watch all the other stuff?
That would be very interesting.
But yeah, it would be interesting. But also, I'm just like, you actually don't have to. Well, I'm not saying don't watch them.
Yeah.
But my thing is, you actually don't have to watch a show in order for you to have context for Bling Line, because we read the comment.
Don't put that in people's
I'm
heads.
just saying. I'm just saying
would
that
you say
don't.
that?
So if maybe you are so busy that you can't watch all of them, it's okay also to watch Bling Line.
I don't like this.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, I'm
like
doing
this.
a very bad marketing job right now.
Very, very bad.
Zooks.
But if you guys, if you want your comment read, then you write a comment. We don't read the Bling Line comments, and sometimes I feel like the Bling Line comments are so fire. Yeah. So maybe we should look into that somewhere, somehow. Now we have to have a show for Bling Line comments.
Oh no! And then we have to have a show for those comments. It's a
All
dark hole.
right, let's get it started. First up, Sinokuhle Zwinye says, Sana, emotional intelligence yam iyacapukisa. Years back, ndandizithatha as ba ndimathile, ndiphola kukopu mna, ndimyeka umntu enze le nto acinga irayithi, akhwaze ume apho
Umakhona.
Yes, ume apho umakhona. Dibane ndihleka or smile, as long as you don't touch me, because once wenze bubhanxa, I feel like akho nto ndinoyenza to change you, because why ungena common sense umdala. Oh, there's a lot going on. So wacimba umathile because because she wouldn't react. Yeah, okay. Okay.
So icapukisa njani? Are you high level of emotional intelligence le? Athi umuntu egeza ayikhweleza ehlela kuwe ube uqonde awandiphathi.
Might be.
Sticks and stones. Kind of vibe. I don't know. That's how I'm understanding this. Mnaba often also don't have to footsack every dog that barks.
Yeah,
Do you know
true.
what I mean?
True. Very true. Yeah, as long as you don't touch me. Yeah. But also,
uba wrong xa usithi just touch me. Touch me. That's where the problems start, when you're asking people to touch you. So I don't know. That's just how I understood it. Ukuthi iyacapukisa. Ayicapukisi yena.
Capukisa bani?
Icapukisa thina abantu ba-interactor naye.
Ababa,
Correct.
Oh, because she does that.
You are clean. Ndaba sithi.
No, she's the intelligent one. No, she's the intelligent one for sure.
I think so, Sino. Maybe, yeah, was but that's what it reads like.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, thank you, Sino, for the comment. All right, up next is Swatikazi. With regards to developing EQ, I believe it's deeper than reading a room because you can easily misinterpret it. I think it's important to go back to how you are feeling, Kala. So when Zuko says, I walk into a room and feel nervous, your EQ should also tell you that Mdase, there is a possibility that these people are nervous too. That's how you read a room. Because I promise you, even smiles and laughter hide nervousness because we're very good at protecting ourselves. This is one way of looking at it. It's a broad concept. It even delves into emotional regulation and empathy. Also, EQ always develops if you open to learning yourself and others. How we express emotions isn't the same. Lamda Nani City, class clown esikolweni. Did it ever occur to you that they are anxious and don't know what to do?
Wow.
Yes, but that's you.
Yena uthini angaske ndibe nale anxious yakhe. Le nto ngandithethe nditekisa abantu ndithandwe. Oh, lovely.
Yeah, that's crazy actually, because it also emotions just look differently on different people.
Absolutely. And ziphuma ngendlela ezingafani.
Exactly. So omnye umntu, it might make them just quiet and just you kind of envelop into yourself, and then omnye umntu, to get rid of those nerves, that's also wild. It's a wild concept for me, to get rid of the nerves. But you make people look at you all the time.
Yeah.
But also a lot of people who are insecure also babazi class clown because they feel like they have nothing to actually give, and they go, oh, if I make people laugh, then we're good.
I just like to make people laugh. I'm a comedian. But look, I mean, guys, I think more than anything else, it just goes to speak to how broad of a subject it is.
Yeah, true.
And how involved it is in so many things, right?
Yeah.
I think, now I definitely picked up and I learned a lot in terms of things that are involved and certain things. But one thing also that I think I've picked up is that behaviors, as you're saying, they don't present the same.
No, they don't.
Or feelings, they don't present the same. Let me rather put it like that.
Yeah.
They don't present the same in terms of behavior, which makes it a really, really, really interesting thing. But I think it's very interesting to me, the study of EQ then.
For sure.
It makes it something very interesting.
No, 100%. And also because it's so broad. So there's no one way to learn it or teach it or experience it. So I feel like people who have written stuff about EQ have done their best to go according to their broad understanding of what it is. But you can't cover everybody's way of showing it.
Yeah, and maybe it just speaks to us needing to get closer to what it is.
Yeah.
Because maybe even our understanding of it is not what it actually should be.
Yeah,
absolutely. True. Do you know what I mean?
All right.
So it opens up definitely that door, I think, as well.
Thank you, Swatikazi.
Undoki 3889 Uti. Yo, Yazi, I thought I was the only person that struggled with the mutually exclusive term. Yo, say kumbu.
Yes. I'm still struggling with it. But I got an example that I feel like at the end of this, I'll tell you what it is.
Okay. I remember something about a Venn diagram, but iphela lapho cha.
Yeah, it's a Venn diagram. Oh.
Anyway, the timing of this episode was so great for me. My little brother has been struggling esikolweni, and we all didn't know how to help him. Ngoba I've been an A student all my life. I would love to be more emotionally intelligent so that I can help him kahle without offending him. Abantwana abafani shem.
No, 100%.
Abantwana abafana namalanga.
Malanga.
Abafani.
Oh, true. I was literally thinking of the sun. I'm like, what?
Amalanga.
Yes, days.
Amalanga.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. So the example that I saw of mutually exclusive is that a coin, it's either on heads or it's either on tails. It's never, it's one or the other. So it can't be on head and tails at the same time.
Yeah, just like as it described, most of those numbers.
Yes.
It's either one or the other.
Yeah, 100%. I thought that was
the existence of the other means the other one doesn't exist.
Yeah.
Yeah. And they ask a Venn diagram. But yeah, look, I mean, I think it's a worthwhile investment, guys. Nyani. I like how you put it when Ando Kuba. Hey, I think maybe I need to go and look a little bit deeper in this because I want to help, but I also don't want to offend. And I think that emotional intelligence definitely might be able to play a role in that.
100%.
Of being able to do what it is that you set out to do without doing any damage or without offending the person.
Yeah. I think also it's so difficult for kids. Can you imagine having 30 kids in a class, all of them with different emotional needs, and all you're doing is teaching them to be smart or to know a concept?
Yeah, wafunsi maths funding.
Yes, wafunsi maths. But for instance, I feel like if I was taught maths in a different way, I would have been much better at maths. But then you have to pick one way to teach everybody this maths. And then abanye bazofailisha and abanye are going to do extremely well. There's so many variants of being in a classroom space, especially. And then omnye umtu needs like a soft no kaloku, and omnye umtu needs you to be strong and go ayizukwenza kwa olhlobo yenza so, and then you can't teach everyone in the way that they need to be taught. So some people will definitely suffer.
Of which you shouldn't have to. Because imfundiso mayenzwe pendlini.
And this is the thing, people leave the teachers.
Yeah, it's the teacher's job.
Yeah.
Kanti, little did you know, like 8,000 people alive at Krish. It's only for uba umntu makalale asebenzise itoilet. Kusafuneka ufundisile, bruh.
Oh, creatures abantu.
Kusafuneka ufundisile. Christians is a scam.
It's literally daycare, and that's what it's called. It's daycare. They're taking care of your kids during the day.
Make sure akazicishe lo mntu lo.
Yeah, 100%. That's exactly what it is.
So, and I think the same with school as well. It's something that we spoke about. And Jan says, hey, I don't remember where I was, but there's so much responsibility that's put on the teacher. And to your point, by 30,
yes.
Are you joking?
You joking?
Come on.
There's a case
of 45 minutes, dihlele medicine. 1.5 hours endlini.
Yeah. So that you can make sure that the concepts are being caught by your child in a way that your child can catch them, because they could fly over your kid's head. Every 45 minutes just flies over their head, where now you're just like, why do I have to have extra lessons when I'm paying school fees?
Mas fatal.
Extra lessons must be by you, endlini.
That's okay.
Yeah.
We'll ask for more parenting advice.
Okay, next.
Yes, Jan, sometimes the best person to advise you
this dark hole of yours. Yeah, for realsies. Anyway, to Amanda Malupe. Guys, I'm a Zulu girl here. Yini ukubethelo.
Ukushayela phela.
I'll give this one to you.
Intuition. English, when Amanda, people will say, I had a feeling. Yeah, it's the neck. She makes the hair on the back of my neck stand up. But something is gonna go on. So the best way to put it is kind of like intuition of sorts. Abayibathini 6th sense.
6th sense.
Yeah. Ubethelwa ke oko Amanda.
Tell us what it is in Zulu, babes. Ukushayela.
Ukushayela. Askeze Amanda Kage. It's a direct translation.
That was funny.
Yeah. Zamachwama. Dead at Zuko dropping the bling line while I am listening to this. Oh, which is the episode. That and that thing. Lol.
Apparently you dropped something early.
And I undrop. Shout out to No Tomato. Ndibonishwe nguwe ntwana yam. Amanye amabhizi bayalenca komputhethayo. Ntwana. Undisayivile wena. Cha ke imeske wobe bengacima ibhosi yam ayazi le nto.
And I really didn't know until I saw this.
Uti Uzama, EQ can definitely be taught through awareness and deliberate practice. The more someone tells you about how they feel and how you expect them to react towards it, you learn how to react towards that certain emotion, even with the next person. Or even how you want people to react to it now. Essentially, yenza londo inga ngenziwa kuwe. Even how you want people to react to it now, essentially yenza lendo ingenziwa kuwe.
Yeah, look, this is the thing. It takes time to learn, firstly, one person, how they react to certain things, and then you know how to treat them. And then the next person, you're constantly learning. And most of the time, it's not a conscious learning. You see it so many times that you go, oh, okay, I know what to do. But you're not even consciously doing that. That's how amazing your brain is. That's how amazing our emotional smartness is that you don't have to you just learn it by being there. Your body literally just picks up stuff that transcribes into something else into your brain.
I think also the learning bit of it is a bit that says, I think the shorter way is to learn about yourself. More than learning other people. Because if you can regulate yourself, I think it makes it easy.
Yeah.
Or
Sure.
Because essentially, emotionally, you are reacting to what you're feeling. You're always reacting to what you're feeling, not what the other person's feeling.
True.
Because of yours.
Yeah.
So you always react to lento yenzeka yapha kuwe ngaphakathi. So you are not emotionally intelligent because someone said, "Ba, hey, awe tuchong usileve solo," and then wanomsindo. That's how you're feeling. You feel angry, and akwazi control a low anger. You feel nervous, and you don't know what to do with those nerves, that nervousness. Hey, siyawufunda amagama but not wrong osnawo straight ke hayi abethwa ngenduku. And yeah, so I think very much the easier way to do it nyani kujonga esipilini. Funde ngala mntu sesipilini. Because then that just helps you regulate it.
Sure. I'm with you.
Yeah. So thank you for that, Zama. We really appreciate it.
Utunoscelo Marele. Ewe uzokwazi Talitha Ndima, and yeah, it must be a show on its own. Speaking about the psychology of it all. And the wheels are in motion. Siqalile ke talks nabantu who would be able to help. So
uneyaxoxiselwa ngitalitha apha nkosi yam. Narcissism. You know?
For instance, my ex-boyfriend was a narcissist.
And misogynist. Hayi Zuko, you are being misogynist.
For sure. I wanted to say that if you guys know any people in the profession who you feel like would be cool to talk to, also please let us know as well at info@siblingthrivalry.co.za.
Yeah, if look ufumana logins na futhi uyibiza gqithi le uyibiza gqithi wena le email address ujonga ungabi na logins. Sakuset up namhlanje. Ifoni yami igcwele.
Ifoni yakho has got problems.
Nam ndiyavumelana nawe Nosicelo. We thank you for that.
So a lot of people were saying yes, they would love to see a full episode. So it's in motion.
With a twist.
With a twist.
With Asia. But you guys will definitely enjoy it. SPK Uti Imani, no man. As far as I know, inkanga is a flower. Ukudubula is to bloom. Ukuta is to rest and refill. Ne? Mistina saying?
Akho nkanga ingadubuli. I forgot.
So there's nothing that blooms or that doesn't take a break. I trust my source. So nguzuk so wrong. Ayindimo. Ayingifuna into ebhalwe ngomu.
Ayinguye nyanya.
Anindithandi nina kule channel. I don't know what I need to do.
No, he didn't know what it was either, and he just read what the person said.
Enye into xa ndithetha ndithetha nge-sure so.
Ingathi vela kuwe.
Zikhona EQ tests, but the outcome is not a single number like IQ. I think there are 4 categories which are rated individually. I always rank high on awareness and low on regulation.
Oh.
The times I work on regulation, ndiba bigger person. Oh,
boring.
I have a sense of justice that makes me relax.
Oh, because you have so much work to be done here.
Oh, really, Judge SPK? Yeah. You know what, SPK? Titana lendo buyazi.
Yeah.
Titana lendo buyazi, and I love it for you, but I also hate it for you.
Yeah,
because
for sure.
Wena ngokuyazi, wena nendlebu netyala ndanga, because now that you know it, it's going to keep haunting you up until we pass a test. And it's just going to keep showing up in different ways and different situations. Iku-embarrasse, ikuvuse phansi ngenye game you feel like you've achieved justice.
Yeah.
But because you know it, hey, it's a monkey on your back now, man.
100%. But it's also the first step to getting better or doing better is actually knowing that something needs your attention.
Yeah. Well, not everything needs justice. Yeah. I'm the identifier now. The identifier now, those that do wrong must account and turn around and turn from their ways.
Okay.
And negotiate in the piece of furniture ngahambanga right. Yathi yabuyiswa imali ne. Ha! Isenza push-ups, i-Google review and zayibhala for abantu. Because justice must be served.
Kwenzeke ntoni? Uyenze wrong ifurniture.
Oh, kangayenze. 4 to 8 weeks. Soqoba baba deliver furniture 4 to 8 weeks. Abafona bathini 12 weeks. Ngithela nabo except bros iphile way. Buda unga worry sakuflasha ngayo ngomso. Ndithi mina ngomso ngo8. Oh, please help me. Mayibela lapha le. You understand? Because diyiwe ujabule sisiginci because idlala igenre engayithandi noyithanda. So
Metallica.
You understand? You're crawling in my skin. Eva, anziva mos bit. So, yicho. Ayani fonele le party. The next morning. I got bad news. That sauce.
Not you, bad.
It's impossible for when you bad news.
No ways.
Go with Thursday. Yachonga mayabo. Lewele alinanzike kuwe ngomso ndathi
no ways, bro. You're going to be pulling me along forever.
Yeah, even ngomso zaphinde bengungomso. We are 12 weeks, that's 3 months.
Yeah.
You understand? Dityele ezandleni. Bonata feel. Yeah. So endaba sivumelane ngoba ezawuhlohla i-refund.
Okay.
Yayihlohla nyani. Yeah, ingxaki babi ngayihlohla. But still, refund or no refund, I'm coming for you.
No.
That's not okay. Furniture shop coming and ndixelele. Andidibani nomuntu obhayizayo mna.
So that others become confused when their stuff is not there.
They're gonna know me.
Okay, Chomi. Uthi umusa Damzupela low-key loves ubawo for wena sister. Look at how he's impressed.
Manomaz.
Unombona. Look at how he's impressed by how ubawo said ngimbahla pha.
Ndidi impressa bubu disciplinarian bakhe. Gokya ubawo besithi nxiba nje impahla ebejimini ngoba ungafuni ejimini.
I know what
you're
talking about.
Nanze yona ndiyithandayo mna.
So akekho nala low-key loves ubawo.
Ngoba kubekho umuntu okufaka emgceni. hayi kaloku sakoyika thina Talita ekhaya. Imagine woyike umntu omncinci ohamba isikolo. Uthi yho hayi kaloku siyamoyika uvusi. Okay.
Pussy can't even tie his own shoelace.
Yo, hey, dog. I low key, if I'm blessed with a family, ndiyamfuna umntana onokoyikwa kwenye indawo, ndizamfunza isifundo.
Hayi bo. Why, Zuko? You're strict for the future.
You. Ungangandazi.
Thank you, Musa, for that. I don't know what it's evoked, but it's evoked something.
Yesterday. Sinegugu, Siciko. First, Rai, I definitely think it's the wind. Yeah, they have answer, Rai.
It was supposed to come from you, wasn't it? Oh no,
yes,
from
no.
me. Yeah, Ivelile. I forgot it. Yeah.
Makaze na iPhone nomntu lo because iyasibetha ngoku phone sesizawude sinansikwe.
Okay, you can read
Sesizawude sithukwe ngoku. I definitely think it's the wind. Ingubo. Yes, it could be a blanket, I'm assuming. If it is, kaloku ithe nditsala ingubo moslana.
Yes.
Imagine a blanket hung to dry out. The wind can blow it. Otherwise, ingubo is clothes. Ingubo clothes is Zulu.
It's in Zulu, yeah.
Whether you're wearing them or they're on the washing line as well, the wind can blow them. So, yeah, no. But it could be wind. I think a lot of people said wind. Imagine when wearing a dress and the wind blows. With the water or river can be driven by wind and it doesn't have legs, but it blows. Not the best explanation, but...
After all that, you're now telling yourself, mihlamba iyo.
And I was penulu, we are convinced. You know, trying to convince us is what is happening right now. Yeah. But a solid effort, though.
Yeah, no, sorry. The one that came back was the coffin. This one hasn't come back yet.
Also, as Pinda Sifundi Rai and answer, guys.
Yeah, true. Actually.
It's not fun for anyone. Thank you for it, but it's commanding.
But yeah, I also think it's the wind, man. But yeah.
Yeah, so I think...
We'll await its arrival.
No. I think we can collectively agree.
Agree that it's
the answer
wind.
is the wind.
100%.
Bloody wind.
If you know where that's from, then you grew up in our house. If you know where bloody wind is from, please let us know.
But just you have to say the word before that at least. What's to help them out. That? Mist.
Bloody wind. Please let us know if you know where that's from. If you do, I want to meet you. Actually, I want to meet you.
If you guys don't get it, I'm going to drop another clue next week.
Yes, 100%. We're going to drop clues until you get it. Which is Siyaxolisa Phungulwa. I agree, Shem. Nam, recently I made the decision that I'm just going to live out my heart, and how people receive or treat me or try to take advantage of me is between them and their God. I carry so much love, and for the longest time I've hidden this and isolated myself from people because I was scared to show or live it out. I'm so much happier and my heart is full if ndivuke ndifuna uxelela umntu that I love them platonically or uthando lukaThixo, I tell them, or if ndiziva ndibawela umenzela into umntu. Yes, this was speaking to your friend that passed and how he just did things for people. And I mean, it was for him, obviously. I mean, he never said so, but we were saying that. And I think that's beautiful, man. I mean, if you're carrying love and I understand it though. I understand how you could feel like you must restrict yourself because abantu basile, ultimately.
Yeah.
But as you say, you're so much happier now that you're just showing because ultimately it is between them. Bayenzela ntoni lento bayenzayo bona, but wena with your good intentions uyazazi ba uyenzela ntoni lonto, and that's a beautiful thing.
Ubomi bakho bungawe. I like that so much because nyan man, and I think what we also spoke about is that we live our lives so much for abantu, and we leave ourselves in the dust
All the time.
all at the time. So yeah, no, Msiana, thank you for that. That is top tier stuff, man. Just another reminder on let's live for us. Hazel, Noma Chule Uwani. Noma Chulepu Wani. Hazel no. Machulepu. Machulepu wa.
Me.
Yeah. I said guys.
Kake, there are no full stops. There are no
pauses. In the sota yabakuthi. Hazel's comment ithi inkanga iplant edubula as in flower ngoNovember. Intyatyambo ziyellow, hence November kuthiwa inyanga yenkanga.
Oh.
Ibentle, then it dies eventually. Meaning beauty, I would like to say physical or outward beauty does not last forever. It was normally used to a person who prides himself or herself.
Oh, wow. That's a new one. You bloomed in high school.
Yeah, but also I think someone who prides themselves.
Yeah.
But you ain't gonna be fresh forever.
That's also such a crazy thing to even
think funny if it's what you have.
Yeah, but I'm just like, for someone else to think, fresh it's like,
it's because they don't think that day. Humble. You never think that.
Yeah, true. You never like, oh, you're not going to be cute forever. No. You're like, oh. Not too much. Honestly, I'm right where I'm supposed to be. Lately, whatever topic you'll dwell on feels like we're unpacking my life in bulks. This was indeed another lesson of the week. Abanye boy. I was going with boy. Abanye boy bamba sesilinde reactions le because abafunu bhadala uspoti. Good week, Klings. Shalom.
Guys.
Oh, is that what that is? Yeah. I don't know.
Coming through with the free sugar. In fact, masithethe soyi-2. Sport yaunyaze yabo mbhadale bawufumane episodes.
Yeah, true.
On the video.
You can literally have it for free.
Absolutely.
Yeah, in dengue, so
100%. Busikhadi, I think EQ is very important, even in relationships. Definitely.
Oh, 100%.
You can date someone who's so intelligent, but who can't read the room per se. They can't articulate their feelings, cannot even acknowledge how you feel and comprehend it. You end up being frustrated because akayiqondi indlela ovakalelwa ngayo noba ungayichaza njani. Akakwazi nokuzifaka esihlangwini sakho. Because kaloku yena, when it comes to emotions, it's difficult for him to understand. Such a difficult.
Yeah, that is a hard one. Also, I don't think some people are just wired that way, where it's like they call them sociopaths.
Yeah.
Where umntu akabethelwa, akanavelwano, like there's no sympathy, no empathy. That's just how you are. You're just like, I'm super smart, but eyoba ufila njani kwati akaigeti. Not because usile, but just because akaigeti.
Yeah, or they've been molded in that way.
Yeah, or they've been molded in that way. Or you know, how they grew up, forced them to not focus on emotions at all, or else survive.
Correct. Yeah. I was just about to say that. Which is, some people, it's developed in them as a result of how I grew up.
Yeah.
And the only way that you could deal with
is to switch off.
Is emotions, because that's your reference that you have to what emotions look like, is to
switch off.
So ibesi small going but
in that way. I dated someone like that. And eventually they found out that what they had.
Find out.
Eventually, he found out about just the way his brain works. Akakwazi sympathizer, akakwazi empathizer. But what had happened is they'd learned to be a certain way because ebona ba okay, umntu xa boyfriend funekati. But obviously, there comes a point where they can't do it anymore, and uyena comes out, and then that became our difficult spot.
Or I get to the end of my tether.
Yeah, so you get to the
my
end of your tether.
My skills at a certain point.
Yeah, 100%.
After 2 days, uqumbile.
Yes. Exactly. And that's hard. I mean, that's why I can empathize with that, because I was in that situation where I was just like, oh my gosh, what an amazing boyfriend, until it wasn't amazing anymore. Because
man, it's such a tricky thing, bro. Because ngapha omnye uqumbele into engekhoyo. Because that also happens.
Yeah, ikhona naleyo.
Yayibaxa. Hleli nje indisizilekayo sekonini. Nihleli ndakusizela. Oyini katana. Asan. But it is important to have Melanawe Busi, and it's a lot to learn for all of us. So yeah, I think.
Yeah, I definitely want to do an EQ test now.
Yeah.
And you must do it too. Okay. Mam J. Wow, I love this topic. I just wrote an exam in WITS Digital Campus on an emotional intelligence course. I enrolled on it because it's offered within where I work, and this is an essential skill in leadership. The course is so good because we then learn how to enhance our emotional intelligence. Having the knowledge has changed my thinking and how I act, and I will constantly use the skills ongoing to keep on improving. Yeah, that's dope. There's a whole course.
Yeah, definitely. There's companies that are built on teaching people this stuff.
That's cool.
So yeah, I think and I like that. And I think it's something that, and I think one thing that was highlighted for me is that something that I think even outside of, it's something that would definitely benefit you in terms of leadership. But even outside of that, in terms of your life, just the comment before this was talking about the boyfriend. And just how we relate with people, family. Leader. I was a leader, cousin, but just for you to be able to kind of be able to navigate those things, something that's very, very, very important. So yeah, no, nice one for that.
Thanks, Nolo.
Much appreciated. Uti kuhle qha. This episode truly reminded me of why I started watching this podcast. The nuanced topics you explore and the thoughtful way you approach them are really eye-opening. Watching you guys makes me feel like I'm in a fun class.
Oh, remember those days when you had your favorite teacher? And that's because they made learning fun. Yes. Where you're just like, I definitely learned something, but it was a fun experience.
Absolutely. I feel like I'm in a fun class too.
Right?
Yeah. With the class clown. Maybe because she's anxious.
Says the class clown.
That's why you can't think of possibly hosting a podcast alone with no one else in the room.
Because you need a class clown.
Need a crutch. Come on. Episode 1. I sent the episode 1 where it's just us in the room. It's talking about a subject.
I don't want to bore people to death. Then you just see the subscriber numbers going down.
Would you be that bad? People would unsubscribe. What? Wow. That is
I'm not ready. Tulisa Yona. Molweni guys, this IQ thing is really emotional for me. My son was struggling in school, so wasiwa kwezi test is the IQ. And his level's low. He can't read and write, but he is so street smart. And I thought he wouldn't struggle in school. Angafuni ukuya kuba ukwi normal classes angayifumane indawo kwi special school. Oh, that sucks.
And you know what? It's such a thing, Jan. But the one doesn't automatically mean that the
other is going to
is going to. Yeah, and hey, man, it's just that we have to pay attention to so many things. into life, but absolutely. And I think nyani being able to understand it. I think knowing, good thing that you took, you sent him to have the test, knowing what is happening also now presents an opportunity to be able to do something about it. So whether, if it's going back to what we were saying very jokingly in the beginning of the episode, Uguti, now it just means that maybe your involvement needs to be more. But it's gonna be better because it's involvement from a place of knowledge.
100%.
And knowing.
And it's not, not necessarily your involvement needs to be more, but your involvement needs to be different from how other parents are involved in their kids' lives. Because your kid needs different stuff.
Yeah.
But it's great that, I can't imagine, like, even now, actually, because I was going to say 20 years ago where umntana had IQ problems, but then uyabethwa every day kuthiwa funda le nto thena ungayifundi
bakhona abatoswayo
today because umntana is not on the same level as the age mates zakhe, and whereas I can't imagine the anxiety that comes with that for the kid. Uyazi ba fundini, I'm trying, but it just ayingeni, bro. Ayingeni, and I don't know how else to say that, but I don't know how to do this. Weba kaloku into zaziyo ngopopayi, into zaziyo kudlala phandle, and you're like, yeah, because that stuff's easy for me. Ugh, that's scary.
Popeye always catching smoke. Akekho umuntu ofuna Popeye kabazalini.
Popeye will always catch smoke until the end of time.
But the
thing is, bayafundisa nofundisa, but no one's like, hayi kaloku Popeye bayakufundisa. No one's ever saying that.
Sorry, Bluey. Andisile Ndlebe uthi hayi sana ku-episodes zenu umuntu umka eclever. Niyasinceda thina abantu bathanda uthetha soze siphelelwe zinto zothetha kukho no mutual exclusive term. Soze siye kuba clever. Imandi ifunzwa kootishara abangenazi degree.
School of life.
Uphakame umntana apha eklasini engekho miss. Sithi kabantwana baphakamileyo.
Because we got higher learning degrees from the School of Life. We took night classes.
Washa. Wade waphinda nonyaka kayena kwi-School of Life. Sisters.
Get off my horse, bro. Thanks, Andisile.
Yeah, no, excellent stuff.
Unokwanda Mchunu. There is a test for EQ Online. When I was doing my grad program.
When I was doing my grad program. When I was in London. Those are stars.
When I was in Portugal. When I was doing my grad program during induction, they made us do Enneagram test, which basically helps you understand the type of person you are.
I did an Enneagram.
And how you deal with other people. We just did the results.
But it's not an answer. It's like a thing. I'll show you actually my test results.
Oh, cool.
I'd read through that.
Let's read it on the show.
Okay. Like pala when I go show in sifunde nayo.
Depends on what the results are.
Yeah. It was quite interesting though. It's very lengthy. It's very thorough because I think my Enneagram results were about 40, more than 40 plus pages.
Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah, because it's a lot.
Yeah.
It's a lot to go through. It's a lot to understand. It's a lot to that was cool actually. Yeah. So yeah. So the cognitive tools, I think that was what the question that the besides the grad program. Yeah.
We're so happy you did a grad program.
That is the question. But yeah, definitely a good one. I like that one. I like that one a lot.
Okay, thank you so much, Nokwanda, for that. And congratulations on entering a grad program.
Okay. And then also if there were any benefits emsebenzini, did you get a raise? Ukhola malini ngoku? Yebo njalo njalo.
Njalo. Okanye abantu abakufuni because uzenza clever.
Wild times.
Okay, cool. Was that it? I think that's the last one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'd already forgotten. Besixelelwe.
Oh, okay, cool. 100%.
Thank you guys so much for i-comments zenu. Kukhona abantu abafundileyo apho ndasitshela ne-worry. It's awesome that we are all learning. And as we know, akupheli ukufunda.
Yep.
Ultimately, at the end of the day, ufunda till uyosweleka, which is so crazy.
So amazing. Also, because then that just opens you up to your life getting better and better and better. Because the more you understand things, the more there's certain things stop irritating you. The more, you know.
Yeah.
So I think it's a good thing that we're able to do that and still absorb information and keep our brains fresh and keep our brains moving, because that's how we stop from stagnating.
True. Thanks, guys, for all of your love, for all of your comments, and we'll see you again next week for another episode of Bling Line. And don't forget to love each other. Love looks different everywhere, okay? Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling Line.